Hello, my name is Payne Moore, and I am doing this water cycle assignment for Earth Science class. Um, so to begin with, this is my drawing of my diagram here, and this is the process of the water cycle. So as we all can see here, that the water on Earth is constantly moving. This is what these arrows are for. The water cycle is the process in which water is recycled over and over again. There's a process. It starts from one direction and it'll go all the way back around. Water moves from the land and it goes up to the sky, and then as it goes to the sky, it comes back down again. As we can see here, there are actually 4 different stages of water cycle, and it is the one that I highlighted here. We first start off with the evaporation, and technically transpiration also. Transpiration comes from plants, that all the waters from the plants goes up to the sky, and also evaporation from the land to the sky. Evaporation takes place when the sun heats up the water on the land, in the lakes, in rivers, and sea. The water is turned into a gas called water vapor, and the water vapor rises into the sky. And next, it will goes across to the condensation. Now, the condensation takes place when water in the air is cooled down, and it changes into small drops of water. This forms all the clouds, as you see here. I draw a couple mini clouds here, and it forms into clouds. And when the water gets too heavy, or the clouds is filled enough, it grades to rain, or not technically rain, but precipitation. Now, precipitation is not just rain; it also creates hail and snow also. Now, that is when the when participation happens. It's when water falls, and when the droplets in the clouds become too big or too heavy, it releases all the water out back to land. Now, that comes to our third point of the water cycle. Now, lastly, we go back down to the surface area, where when participation such as rain and snow and hail falls onto the land, it is being collected into lakes and in rivers and the seas. And then here I have infiltration here too, where the precipitation that soaks into the soil, and it collects some soil water in here underneath the surface. But the subsurface will, after the infiltration, it's the water moves beneath their surface, and it goes back out, and it will collect all the way back out here again, and it'll evaporate again, and there goes the full cycle. And that is the end of our water cycle.